Good evening to all. Myself T. Vaishnavi and I am studying in 10th class English medium. My school name is ZPHS Begumpet High School, Mandal Raipur district, Siddipet. Today I am participating in science seminar and our topic is science and technology. So without any late, let me share my opinions on science and technology. You can see the use of science in each and every second of in our life. Science is an essential element in daily life. We cannot escape from the importance of science and its uses in our daily life. Basic knowledge of science is mandatory for everyone. Life makes our life easier and open our minds in many ways. As science is completely based on facts and experiments, so does not change with the time. Basics always remain same. Science is very essential in our daily life. We use science in day-to-day life. We are wake up and use brush and paste, which are both are given by science. We use science in cooking, clothing, eating, etc. Baking involves basic knowledge of science, and baking machines such as microwave, oven are the endowments of science. Can you imagine your life without electricity? If no, then you must know that the electricity is also given by science. Now I am going to tell the importance of science in another fields like education. We are very well known the importance of science and technology in the field of education. But during the pandemic time of COVID-19, this importance got increased even more. We cannot imagine of online classes without the intellect and technology. Today every student can have access to online classes in one field and another. Schools have been doing it through multiple platforms such as Microsoft Teams and Google Classrooms. Now I am going to tell the importance of science and technology in the field of internet and communication. We know with the internet is also became an important part in our life that we cannot live without it and we cannot imagine our life without internet. Besides, the internet is an invention high in science and modern technology. Apart from that, we are connected to internet 24/7. Also, we can be send also messages and information as much as faster. Can you imagine your day without a smartphone? Smartphone is also a big achievement in science and technology. I am going to tell the importance of science and technology in the field of agriculture. In the field of agriculture, science has made its mark and contributing so much in present days. Machines are available even for sowing seeds on fields. Tractors, drip irrigation system, sprinklers, irrigation system, etc. All are given by science only. And all the fertilizers also given by chemical science. And the importance of science and technology in the field of medicines. The medical field is based entirely on the usage of science. All the drugs are given by medical chemistry and tools used in the medical field are also given by science. Now I am going to tell the importance of science and technology in the field of transportation. In transportations, all the vehicles are the inventions of science and technology. Science had made the world as a small place. You can reach Kashmir to Kanyakumari in just fraction of hours. Cycles, scooters, cars, aircrafts, etc. All are the inventions of science. We can transport goods easily and faster by the use of machines given by science. And the importance of science and technology in construction. Science, it is a basis on all of building constructed by as construction building is complete based on technology given by science. Machines used in the construction work such as motors, graders, bulldozers, etc. given by science. Now I am going to tell the importance of science and technology for promoting better health. The COVID-19 pandemic has underscored the depressing needs for country to focus more on science and technology and innovations on both policies and practical terms. But the coronavirus pandemic also drives to lead it ensure that the development benefits of STI, which means science, technology and innovations, translate directly into the daily life of the people all over the world. So, with the science and technology, there are many uses, but and also has many disadvantages. Like terrorists prepare atom bombs, which are very dangerous for the earth and environment. Recently, Korean people also produce many atom bombs, but it leads to damage on earth. It is very dangerous for earth and environment. So these results, science and technology also has many disadvantages. So we are get to know that how to use science and technology in better and good way. So now I am going to conclude my speech with the science has vast use in all fields of human life. It is a great importance to make our life easier. It gives answer of curiosities of us related to our life. It gives wings to our imaginations by facts and its theories. So we use science for good only. So we are use only good science to develop our country. So thank you so much for this giving opportunity. Thank you one and all.